A lot of you guys are probably thinking, why am I in the gym, right? And there's a reason for that, right? Also, I just want to talk about some upcoming changes for myself, what I believe is best for me as a trader after all the, withdrawals I've gotten from scalping, the markets, to change of plans when it comes to trading Forex, right? I believe this video is very important for everybody who is trying to get ahead of the ball game when it comes to trading, just in general, whether you trade stocks, whether you trade Forex, it don't matter, this is for you, and just learn from our personal situation, all right? The reason why I'm in the gym is because I want to give a gym analogy, right? When you want to grow as an athlete, as a bodybuilder, if you want to grow as somebody who is looking to be healthy in the future, you're trying to look slim, maybe try to get a 6-pack, 8-pack, whatever you're trying to do in the gym, whatever your goal is, you have to put in the work. And I think we live in a fantasy world as traders, as if everything is golden and just comes to us, right? We join a Discord group, we join a Telegram group, we join a Signal group, and everything's just Humpty Dumpty, right? Now, if you have a Signal group and you just want to make passive income, this video is not for you. All right, you're totally off the charts on this one, so it's okay for you to just take signals, right? But for those who are really trying to expound in their territory when it comes to trading Forex, I've realized about something. My job is changing, so is my schedule. And I love teaching Forex, I really do. And I'm glad that everybody who has picked up the instrument to scalp has changed their lives, right? But for me, things are changing. Time is changing. I won't be able to trade certain times as I used to. What does that mean for me? Does that mean I'm changing my strategy? Does that mean I'm changing my outlook on the market? I've done some research on George Soros. If you guys know, he's a legendary Forex trader and investor in general. And I've done my research on other historical legendary traders as well. A lot of them traded on a weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and sometimes a 4-hour time frame. And they have done very well fundamentally because they were fundamentally driven and they traded for future purposes, not for moment purposes. As scalpers, we are momentary people. We like to trade in a moment. But for those who are swing traders, we are people who try to trade based off what the fundamentals are saying and based off of what the future might look like for the market. So why am I saying all this? The reason why I'm saying all this is because swing trading might be what's best for me when it comes to the time frame. Time frame as far as my job schedule changing. I might be able to wake up and scalp at 8 o'clock, but once 9 o'clock hits, I'm at work. Unfortunately, I wish I can continue to do that very thing, which is called scalping. And maybe one day I'll be able to go back and just scalp once I accomplish a goal that I believe I'm going to hit by the end of the year. And then really it's going to be, definitely things are going to change. So the reason why I'm saying this is because swing trading is really going to help me a lot more than scalping. Now, what does that mean for my Discord members? Would I still be doing scalping? I will probably from time to time. Would I still doing scalp? Would I still be doing scalping as far as the markets? Probably from time to time. But what's the main thing that's important is I'm probably going to focus on swing trade. So I just want to end this video by saying the most important thing that I'm probably going to end up changing is how I look at the market, fundamentally speaking, technically speaking, structurally speaking. But I'm probably going to be trading a little bit more on the higher time frames, which means it's going to require me to wait and sit on my hands more. George Soros, I think it's Billy Schultz, something Schultz, I can't remember his name, would say if traders would learn how to sit on their hands 50% of the time, they will be successful. I also believe that the market does not just move one way. I love my supply and demand strategy because it works for me. Some people like to beat the market maker strategy because it works for them. Some people love breakout strategies because it's for them. Guys, we have to stop limiting ourselves. There's not this one way of trading. ICT, smart money concepts, beat the market maker method, polybar indicator trading, RSI trading. There's no such thing as this is the best way to trade. I don't believe that. I don't believe the market is trying to track you every single day. I don't believe it. I disagree with that. I do believe that the market does manipulate, but I don't think they're trying to track traders every day because they have too much on their plate to try to focus on us. They're trying to focus on themselves for them to make money. We just get in the way. What you need to do is focus on a plan that's going to help you in the future and now. You need to focus on a plan that's going to sustain you when it comes to trading. You need to focus on a plan that's going to fit your personality. You don't need to focus on people who are going to say, why are you changing up your strategy? You don't need to focus on people who are saying, why you keep doing it. Don't worry about that. Whatever fits you, fits you. Work with a strategy that fits you. That's what this video is about. And I'm telling you this because my time is changing and I may no longer be posting scalping setups like I used to. Now I will from time to time if I have time because I'm still that scalper at heart. However, I think I'm going to be switching up on day trading from swinging higher RRs. This also means it's a big change in how I look at prop firms. It's a change of how I look at personal accounts. So I hope this video was helpful. This is not a video to get out there and hope it gets big one day. This is just a video that's just to help people who know me as a trader to understand what's coming. If you are in my Discord group, salute to you because you're definitely going to be doing a lot of homework. But I would say too, the reason why I don't charge as a trader no longer is because I don't have time to teach as much. And unfortunately, that's just the truth. When life changes, you have to change with it and adapt. So hopefully, as you're watching this video, this helps you to understand you need to stop limiting yourself. You need to start putting in the work. You need to stop making excuses. You need to own up to your excuses. You need to own up to your responsibilities. You also need to own up to when things just don't go right. We're trying to be perfect traders, and that's the issue. Everybody's trying to be a perfect trader. There's no such thing as perfect trading. There's no such thing as perfect traders. There is a such thing as managing your risk. You can lose 5 times in a row this week and still be above in your profit because you chose to manage your risk. So I just want to end this video to let you know, manage your risk, get in the gym, put in the work. I hope this trading video was helpful.